Good morning, my students of 12th class. This is an important video for you people. You know that CBSE has done lots of changes in the pattern of English examination for this year, especially due to this COVID situation. So, in this video, I am going to tell you the latest changes of the paper pattern and the deleted chapters. You will get to know how many chapters are being deleted from the syllabus and how the paper will come. I mean, how many unseen passages would be there, note making would be there or not, because you people must be having so many doubts. Already the teachers have discussed in the class, but you are habitual of forgetting everything. So through this video you will get to know the actual situation of the paper which you will face in 2021. So here is a list of the deleted syllabus and the chapters. I have started with Flamingo. So these three chapters from Flamingo have been deleted. Number one is Poets and Pancakes, the interview, and third chapter is Going Places. It means a student, let me make it very clear to you that these three chapters are not in your syllabus for this year. From poetry number fifth, a roadside stand has been deleted. A roadside stand will not come in your exam. These three chapters from Vistas have been deleted. The chapter number one is the Tiger King. Chapter number two is the Journey to the End of the Earth, and the third one is Memories of Childhood. So these three chapters are being deleted from your syllabus. In reading and writing section, what are the topics which CBSE has deleted? So note making, yes, you have learned the style of and the method of note making in 11th class, but student, in 12th class board examination you will not have any passage for making notes. Poster making is also being deleted. Business and official letters, all type of complaint, inquiry letters, all type of business letters have been deleted. It means that you will have only letter to editor and job applications. Remember that in this coming board examination you will have only two types of letter, and that is a letter to editor and job applications. Speech and debate are also being deleted, so there will be no question related to or based on speech and debate. Clear? Now let's see the design of the paper. In what way you will have the question paper for 12th class. In reading section, listen carefully. In reading section, there would be two unseen passages. 10 marks for each, means two unseen passages of 10 marks, and the total number for reading section is 20. In writing section, you will have notice, invitations only, no advertisement, no posters, only invitations and notice will be there. And you know, invitation is a long question which is having sub parts like formal, informal, and replies, formal and informal. So, and the mark weightage is being changed. Earlier it was of 4 marks, but now in this session you will have it of 3 marks. Letters, letter to editor, and job applications. Only these two type of letters will be there, means you will have a choice. Okay, and the weightage is 5 marks. Article and report, again you will have a choice in among them between these two topics, article and report, and the weightage is 5 marks, and the total mark for writing section is 16 marks, reading section 20 marks, and writing section 16 marks. Now come to literature. First of all, you will have two seen passages from prose, that is Flamingo and Vistas. You have two books, Flamingo and Vistas, so there will be two unseen passages from prose and Vistas. Prose, Flamingo and Vistas, 8 marks. The weightage is 8 marks. One passage of poetry would be there, and remember that these seen passages from prose will be based on MCQs. Passage of poetry will also be based on MCQ, and the weightage is 4 marks. Text based questions, okay, text based long question from Flamingo and Vistas, short question I mean, from Flamingo and Vistas of 8 marks. 5 short answer type questions from Flamingo, prose and poetry both. Short type questions from Flamingo, which includes prose and poetry. Remember carefully, prose and poetry. 5 questions would be there and the weightage is 2, that means 10 marks questions. 2 short answer type questions would be from Vistas. 2 into 2, that means 4 marks questions. 1 long answer type question from Flamingo, weightage is 5 marks, and 1 long answer type question from Vistas, weightage is 5 marks, and 20 marks for listening and speaking assessment. Okay, 20 marks, and the literature would be of 44 marks. Done. Thank you. Have a nice day. Keep watching the channel.